Hello, David here, and the project for today is testing out a Miller spot welder from Racer X. He just assembled it with these two huge copper prongs. It's got this foot pedal here for getting it started. I guess that clamps the prongs, and this is the timer that times the timing of the spot weld. It's got a water cool feature here where you hook up a garden hose to this fitting, and the hose is run into the body of the spot welder. And actually, if you could see right here, hoses also provide coolant to the copper prongs. Are they prongs or tongs?
Tongs, I think.
I thought tongs were the things you wear on your feet when you go swimming.
Well, I wear these.
So, what model is this?
It looks like it's a Miller.
Model MPS 10?
FT for foot.
Okay, what year is this?
It's before I was born.
50% duty cycle, 45 amps. Okay, are you going to do a demo?
I shall. Okay, are you rolling?
Rolling.
Okay. It's on for 1.5 seconds, so it's going to be a powerhouse. There's the timer. And here's the weld. We just did the upper one here.
Okay, got to focus. Good. Now for the destructive test. Ow! That hit me right in the nuts.
I was aiming for it.
What a cheap ass welder.
Okay, so yeah, that's not encouraging.
Alright, I've recovered. It's a good thing I don't want children anymore, but it's always fun practicing. We're going to spot weld again with a longer duration on the weld. How many seconds is this?
2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Last one was time and 1.5 seconds. Let's try another one here. Okay, let's see what happens when it cools off a little bit.
Okay, this time I'm wearing my football cup.
You rolling?
Okay, we're ready for the destructive test. Man, that's prying off way too easy.
Yeah, this heat treated stuff is very.
I think it's better to TIG weld.
Yep. That's.
And is there a setting on the spot welder for a longer duration than this?
Yeah.
Is 2 seconds the max?
No, this goes up to 3. You want to try it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so. Of course, I'm not getting any focus at. Yeah, this one's going to be 3 seconds.
Yep.
It's not burning.
No. Somebody's wrong.
Although the spot welder is working, it doesn't seem to weld it securely. And Racer X thinks it could be the duty cycle. Maybe it is getting too warm because that last spot weld on that piece, we tried 2 spot welds. The first one welded and the second one didn't even weld. So it's possible that it was too warm. There's a cooling system that although we hooked up the water to it, the water is not circulating out of the exhaust hose. So that could be a problem. It could be one of the tips on the end is loose, so that needs to be addressed. The tips were sanded smooth to get any oxidation off of there. So this needs some more work, and we'll probably film another video. So we're going to end this right here. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.